Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel, Coffee Tea Paper. My name's Louise and I'm here with a quick Ieebee products update. So if you tuned into my last video, you'll see that I opened up some new products that Ieebee sent me to have a look at, and that included these frames, these paper or very thin cardstock frames, as well as these new windows, some of which are cut with the glass missing and others have interactive elements. So yeah, really nice. And these come, I think, in 5 colorways. These frames come in 2, this sort of neutrally pink one, and I think there's a green one as well. The quick update is to share with you some of the things that I've been making. So I'm trying to catch up with a lot of my Penpal replies this weekend, so I will show you some of the things I've been making with these products. So first of all, I've done this little mini mail, and I've used one of these frames, these window frames, and positioned this peon girl in it and done some sort of 3D flowers around the outside, which I think looks really nice. And inside I've used one of these frame die cuts as a little pocket, so I could put some things in there. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to put on this side yet, but I have a pocket in here, and here I've used some of the Ieebee grid washi tapes as a washi tape sample card with some colours that match in with the project. I'll just leave that out. And once again, not quite sure what I'm going to put here just yet, but I have used one of these frames and I have done this like a stamp kind of effect and framed up this bird on this piece of paper, and I've made this a little pocket as well, so I'll be able to tuck some things in there. And on the back I've just done another smaller pocket like that, so like that. So that's just a little mini mail. So yeah, so it's still a work in progress, but that's kind of where I'm at with that. Then I've done this other mail folder, and for this one I've used one of the frames on the front, and I've cut out a hole in the paper and sandwiched this girl behind some pink vellum, and I think this just sort of gives quite an sort of mysterious or ethereal look to this one. And I've used one of these other die cut pieces just as a focus on the front, and I've put this little sentiment on here, which is take time to make your soul happy. And inside I've done 2 pockets here, and I've decorated this one with another one of those die cuts. Haven't done this as a pocket, just using it as a sort of a label look, and another spot over here. And I was thinking even about putting one of these on the back, and I could potentially even stamp it with my coffee tea paper stamp. But yep, once again, a bit of a work in progress. So that's what I've done so far. And I thought I'll just jump ahead to this one. I'm going to actually put this one in this envelope as a bit of a matching set. It does fit, I did measure. And I have just used one of the paper offcuts there, one of the frames, and created kind of like a stamp. I think it's quite a fun sort of stamp look, and a banner on some other paper there. So that's going to be that set. And this one I'm trying to do a specific mail with specific colors, so it might look a bit odd, but the mail is meant to have blue, green, yellow, purple and pink in it, so that's why it's a bit of a hodgepodge. But I've used another one of these windows here, and I've popped a little girl, and this one actually did have a square frame in it, and I removed that in order to see the girl behind it better. And it's got these almost photorealistic flower planters on the front, and I've tried to tie that back with the yellow part of the male with using some yellow flower stickers. But I think I've got some, oh, no blue here, but I've got the green, the yellow, the purple, and the pink. And in a side, I've popped some vellum behind one of these frames, and this is almost like a play button. I decorated that with a little garden fairy and some flowers and some, I really like this iridescent sticker here. And on this side, I've used one of the doors that came in the pack and put some vellum behind that too to link back to this one, and I'm going to use that as a bit of a tuck spot here as well. And then just to disguise the white paper back to this cardstock and to tie it in with this girl on the front, I've done a pattern of pink polka dots with one of my Kuretake clean color dot markers. And on the back here I have two little pockets, slide things in. You know, you could put in washi sample, something like that. Yeah, so this is just made with one piece of paper as well. So that is a bit of an update of some of the ways I have been using my new Ieebee paper products. I haven't used my coffee washi tape yet. I've just been really enjoying using these frames and windows so far. I do have another couple of Penpal replies I also need to catch up on. Nice to receive a product, and nice to receive this booklet along with it with lots of interesting ideas and suggestions on how to use your washi tapes from Ieebee. I do have a 30% discount code with them, and I will have my affiliate link in the description box as well as that code if you want to take up that offer. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye!